Hello, lovely people. I welcome you once again to Bright and Clara's channel. Thank you all for clicking. This is episode 29 on Project Noah. All right. So it's been some past few weeks now. I haven't been feeling well myself. The weather has changed. I don't know if it's a flu, if it's a coronavirus. I don't know. But I'm just not well. But after several medications, I kind of feel better now. Not fully recovered, but I feel better than before. So you can even sense that from my voice, I guess. We are back at Project Noah. In view, it's a beautiful 3D representation of the beautiful 8-bedroom house that we are putting up for our client. The roof plan, or let's say the roofing sheet, has changed. We are no longer going to apply the aluminum sheets, but rather we're going to use the Euro tiles. Euro tiles are beautiful, and they can withstand certain weather conditions, and so that is exactly what we intend to do based on our presence at the location. So this is what we have now. This is the new roofing sheets that we are going to use, and this is called the Euro tiles. Okay, and then also we are going to employ a skylight. You can see the skylight at the front. There's going to be other ones at the back. Yes, even though it shows here as one at the back, but it's going to be two. So in total, we're going to have 4 skylights. This gives you a ray of light into the building whenever you want it, because you don't want a kind of a total darkness within the living area. Okay, so that is what we are going to do. If you need someone to do your borehole drilling, please contact the numbers on your screen. Mr. Jonathan Amwa, he is my cousin and he does borehole drilling. He's an expert in that. Okay, he does reverse osmosis and he sells all kinds of pumps. Okay, and he does water treatment. So kindly contact him and he will assist you. So finally, my steel bender is done with his steel reinforcement. Yes, he's done with his steel reinforcement, and you can see the beauty of his work. Okay, you can see the beauty of his work. He doesn't joke. He runs Accra Kumasi all the time. That is what he does. You can see the suspension, okay, and all of that is indicated. Top bars and the bottom bars. So this looks like a mesh, okay, and this doesn't come easy to do a weaving or a reinforcement of this type. Is that people just do top and bottom bars, just one, but we have done it double, so it's like a mesh. You understand? It's a mesh, and it's very expensive. It's very expensive. So like I say, every estimate I prepare is unique from each other. You understand? So if someone asks me, oh, how much did it cost for this project, I will give you the price and you will tell me, oh, it's too expensive. Or maybe when it's yours and yours is a little bit more, you tell me, oh, how come this one was this price and mine is that price? So I prefer not to give. Once you give me your blueprint, I will prepare an estimate for you according to your drawing. You understand? According to your drawing. But if you have an open mind and you say, okay, how much did it cost for this project? And I give you the price, you go like, okay, it's a fair deal. But again, you don't know what goes into the estimate. You understand? You don't know what goes into preparing the estimate. Every project based on your design from the architect, that is how we prepare the estimate. So estimate varies from each project to the other. If we are building an identical building, yes, it means that it is the same building all throughout, and for that matter, the price is consistent. The price should be the same all throughout. But when project sizes are different locations, okay, and all together you don't expect the price to be the same. Yeah. And so this is a solid work for my still fixer. In case you need a still fixer, please do not hesitate to let me know. Okay, just drop me a comment. I need your still fixer, and I'll hit you with the number. Okay, yes, in the comment section, if you need a still fixer, just let me know, and then I will drop his number for you, and you can utilize him for your project. Okay, so the staircase going down, again we did the double mesh. Okay, it's a suspension bar. We've done it such a way that no matter the circumstances, this staircase will forever be strong. You understand? There's a beam all across. All right, here he reinforced it again with a retaining bar. Unlike other steel bendage, it's just going to be just one bar and a top bar, but here he did a retaining bar. Okay, and then in the base also, yes, he did it all the way to the base, because here we are going to do the laterite filling, and because it was going to take time, we decided to do that before we do the laterite filling. Okay, and then on the other side, the Mr. Dade and team are still laying up the blocks after the lintel block work, which we call the gable. Okay, gable takes a lot of blocks. It will surprise you. This whole area can take almost about 4,000 blocks, as you're seeing. 4,000 is even small, because it's 3 course all across. You understand? So this is almost heading to about 5,500 blocks, just for you to be able to finish all three course. Even I'm planning that we add one more, so that it becomes 4 course. Why? Because I'm looking for a certain height of the room. From the overside all the way to the top there, I'm looking at almost about 13 feet or even more. That is my goal. Yes. So here the cantilever is taking shape. The carpenters have done their work. So the cantilever, the steel bender has actually reinforced it. So we have to do this before the parapet comes on top. Okay, we have to do this one before the parapet. At the same time, you can see they are placing the spacer. Okay, yes, whenever you're doing your work, you need to create another 3 or 4 bags for spacers. Spacers are a mixture of cement and sand, and a little bit of iron binding wire, and we use them to position to suspend the reinforcement, so that the piping work the electricians are going to do can move freely. You understand? Here we have our parapet designs taking shape already. This is being done by Mr. Daniel. Okay, if you need my parapet guy, I don't want to say guy, he's a man. A responsible man with a huge family. Okay, if you need his services, please drop a comment in the comment section that Mr. Bright, I need the parapet man. Okay, yeah, whatever design, wall designs, any design that you're looking for, okay, man, he got you covered. This man is so experienced when it comes to designs. Drop your comment and say, Mr. Bright, I need the man who does the parapet or wall designs, and I will share that with you. Okay, so Mr. Hammond and team are on board. Mr. Hammond is an electrical engineer. He has his degree in Ghana from, I think, Accra Polytechnic, okay, University. Okay, he's certified engineer from the Ghana Institute of Electrical Engineers. Okay, and his team are here to do the electrical work, piping works. As you already saw, they had to put spacer. The spacers are stones that they have to put to suspend the reinforcement. This helps the pipes to move freely underneath the reinforcement, and again it allows the concrete to settle down properly, so that there is enough concrete underneath. You understand? So once you remove the boards, it looks very smooth underneath. Are you with me? So that is exactly what they are doing. If you don't put spacers underneath, the reinforcement will then compress the pipe, will create a hole, and then concrete will enter, and it will block the the passageway for the pipe. And so when you are done with your building and the electricians want to draw their wires, it is now moving and it is blocked. Are they going to cut the concrete? That is a cost 90 work. So do it right. Mr. Hammond does the American 110-220 wiring system. So if you need that services as well, please do not hesitate to reach out to him. That's his number on the screen. Okay, he does air conditions, split air conditions, okay, central air conditions. Please contact him and he will assist you in that regard. Are you with me? It is important. Okay, yes, all types of house wiring. Contact Mr. Hammond and he will assist you. Yes, so basically here the staircase have been done with the beam plate from the carpenters, and again we are putting some lights in there. Everywhere we need to have some lights. Okay, so you can see the quality work that I have shown step by step all the way until we've gotten to this stage. You understand? It is a step by step process that I've taken all of you through, and I believe all of you are aware of what that we are doing. Okay, so it's a gradual process. Pretty soon we'll be done. There should be a cantilever all across. Okay, there's going to be a cantilever all across, and that is also a lot of money. A lot of reinforcement is going to take place, and after that, before the rafters, the parapet and everything will come. So stay tuned and I'll come your way with episode 30, and let's see what episode 30 has got installed. If you love this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you've not. Give me a thumbs up though. Yes, it helps the algorithm of YouTube to spread it for a wider audience. And from me to you, it's shalom. God bless you wherever you are. Bye bye.